it's time for the number of the day. The blue is where your information goes, and the red is the little hint for what's supposed to go there. The red here says your name, and I'm going to go right on top of it, and I'm going to write Fred the penguin, letting us use his name. Over here is where the numbers go for the date today. 9 for September, 2020 for the year, and then you need to draw these lines and then fill in whatever goes there, whatever the number on the calendar is for today. The blue is what you write. Today is, and the red is your hint. Month. It says month. This is where September goes. And then this is where the number from the calendar goes, and then 2020. This is the same thing. It's the number off the calendar. Now, the fun part. The blue is what you need to write. The number of the day is. This is not the number off the calendar. This is how many days we've been in school. And here's your red hint. Check the first slide in the slideshow. And in the first slideshow, it will show you the number of days that we've been in school. And that's the number that you put here. So you just stop the video and go back and look. Here's the blue line where you need to write that number of days that we've been in school. That's your red hint. It says number. And here is where you write the number word. Don't worry about the spelling. If it's hanging up on the wall somewhere, go ahead and copy it. If it's not, just write the sounds that you hear when you say that number quietly to yourself. The next part, I drew 2 10 frames for us to use. Here's the red hint, 10 frames for drawing neat pictures. When you are doing math, neat pictures are absolutely necessary so you can go back and see what you did. If you make messy pictures for math, you're probably going to get your math answers wrong. Next part, I drew a big blue rectangle for tally marks. That's what your red hint says, tally marks. You remember tally marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Down here is the blue you need to copy. The number is, and then you need to choose. You need to think about it. Is the number odd or is it even? And the last thing on this page, in the middle is where you write the number of days that we've been in school. And then over here is your red hint. It says after. What comes after this number? And here's your red hint before. What comes before this number? That's it for number of the day. Good luck.